think this place is made for RVs. Hey y'all, RoamTownGirl here, and today is my last day with my rent-a-car. So I am doing a little last-minute exploring. You know how much I love water, and there is a lake and campground just a mile away from where I'm staying at my secret cocoa bug out location in the White Mountains of Arizona. So I thought I'd take you with me and just check it out. This whole campground's dry camping. I always look for sites that give me a view of the water. It looks pretty, but you can't see the water. Over here. End of the road. It's the end of the road. Okay, hold on, I gotta back up. Ooh, I'm not used to how fancy. I'm old school. I gotta look. I swear, I think I'm better at maneuvering my big old Class C than I am this little car. That's the key. This road freaks me out in a car. I can't imagine doing it in an RV. I have a feeling I'm gonna hit another dead end. This is crazy. I would never be able to turn the RV around. And what if you had a big RV? You'd just have to back out. So basically none of these spots have a view of the water. But I see cars, probably fishermen, are lined up just around the rim. So let's go check that out. Ready to see some pretty water? See, here's where those RVs were. Close and walkable, but no view. Isn't that pretty? This is all a mile from where I'm in a proper RV park. Although I haven't had it in me to walk over here yet. I'm such a lazy butt. I hate exercise. I rolled down the window for you. Here's another little pocket where I actually have a spot for a few days. I'm so excited, and you'll see why. I was pulling into a space instead of following the road. That's gonna be my space. We got a lot of morning sun. but beautiful views of the water. And a bunch of closed sites, which means no neighbors. Yeah. I thought about taking this one, but it's super slanted. It is shady, but yeah, that's not a good one. But this is gonna be my site. So a little toasty in the beginning of the day. Yikes, but look, this will be my view from the back. And I'll position the RV so my office window, this is what I'll see. Makes me so happy. So fingers crossed, when I come next week, it won't be so hot and sunny. Come on, clouds.
Turn left onto Little Mormon Lake Road, Mormon.
We're going to Little Mormon Lake. Let's see if they have camping around there.
Continue on Little Mormon Lake Road for 1.5 miles.
See you in 1.5 miles. I think that's it.
You've arrived.
Oh no! Mormon Lake is just a big mud puddle. Well, that's why you come check these things out, right? Do you think my Berkey water filter could filter that water? Probably. Now I gotta find a place to turn around. All right, giving you one, there's one more pass of Mormon Lake, AKA Mormon Mud Puddle. The cows seem to be enjoying it. Okay, I found us another lake. This is called Scott's Reservoir. The campground's currently closed, but let's still go check it out. I'm glad there's another little car in front of me. So if there's a problem on the road, he'll encounter it first. This is how I think. More junipers than pine, but still pretty. So here's some of the campsites. Of course, these ones aren't with a water view, but I'll show them to you anyway. I see the water. Okay, I'm gonna try to go down there. Would you drive this in an RV? Bumpy. I am off-roading in a Camry. There's a term when the road has ridges. It's called washboard. A lot of you guys probably knew that, but that was a new one on me. So this road is a little washboard. Ice water. I like site number 3, but no way in heck that you could get an RV in there with all those rocks. Maybe these are more tent sites or little trailer sites. These ones look promising. Interesting, my friend who told me about this has a gigantic fifth wheel. So I don't think he can get his big old fifth wheel butt in here. This would be a good spot too. We got to see what site number this one is. 6. So 6 and 3. And I was born June 3rd. I'll have an easy time remembering that. I've never been real good at denying myself. I got strawberry shortcake. I don't think this place is made for RVs. I think I could get an RV in that spot. That's 7. Let's go a little bit further down. This is making me so happy, seeing all this water. Oh, I was gonna check internet. I'm gonna pull into this spot right here while we are. Let's see if I could even get a car in there, let alone my RV. I think you could. It's kind of crazy. Alright. Okay, I hope you're enjoying our exploring. This was a place I wanted to check out. It's a tiny home community. Only problem is, no trees. So adorbs. Pretty cool.